Good morning, ma-Afrika. Revolutionary greetings, ma-Afrika mahle. Niyaphila kodwa kaniza kwethu. Mina ngiyaphila ma-Afrika, ngiyaphila ma-Afrika. Ngiyathemba nani niyaphila ma-Afrika. Hope you guys are doing well, wherever you are, guys. Guys, can today we talk about the drama that is unfolding, the drama pertaining to the Gauteng cabinet, right? Or the non-existent cabinet of the Gauteng province, the drama involving the appointment of the cabinet. As you guys are aware now, for a second time, Premier Panyaza Lesufi had to postpone the announcement of his cabinet, right? For various reasons that are given for that, but mainly the reason that the DA is not happy with the appointment or what the allocation that Panyaza is given to the DA in terms of the MEC positions. So can we talk